Quick update. I'm back on a project working on a cafe racer Sportster, and a little progress since last time I was on it. But mainly, I disassembled the front fork to install the gaiters, the rubber dust protectors, and the Tomaselli clip-on handlebars, which are by far the most adjustable, the most the strongest. They're a little pricey, but they're definitely worth it in my opinion. And it's not the first set I've used. I've used a few in the past. And also I managed to adapt the headlight hole for the Harley speedometer. I had to enlarge the hole with a pipe expander, and I still have to make a strap to retain the speedometer inside it. I have to make I gotta adapt a ignition switch in there. But yeah, the front end is taking shape, and I do like the way that headlight goes with that fuel tank. And I still have to install the front fender in place. But before I do that, I'll take the springs out of the top, and that way the front suspension will be all the way bottomed out, so I have no future surprises whether or not the headlight will clear the fender. But that's all for the front end for the time being. Pleased with it. The exhaust was a little bit of I'm gonna set the camera down to talk about the exhaust a little bit. I purchased the exhaust. It looked like this originally. That's so ugly. It's very West Coast choppers, Orange County choppers looking thing. So of course I saw beyond that, and I only was interested in the headers, and they look great. My original intent was to fit a 2-in-1 that I didn't like. It didn't sit right with me, aesthetically at least. It looks too modern. 2-in-1 is just too modern. Performance would have been okay, but I'm not liking it. So luckily I had two of these mufflers in stock, and I adapted them to the head pipes. I still have to make a heat shield because my leg will be coming from there to there, so they'll be underneath my leg. I have to make some sort of a heat shield. That's in due time. I'm not in a hurry with it. The seat is still not the one I'm going to use, and the fender struts I'm going to remove, but only after I'm certain that I don't need them for any reason or another. So that's where the bike sits right now. I'll update. I'll make another update video as I make progress, but it's been sort of slow lately. Okay, we'll talk later. Take care. Bye bye.